Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello children, and welcome to one more session of Standard 3 subject EVS lesson number 10, more about water. Now children, see, this is a glass of water. Can you tell me what is the color of the water? Yes, it is colorless. That means it has no color. Now try to smell a fragrant flower. Can you guess what is the smell? Yes, it has a sweet fragrance. Now try to smell the same glass of water. Can you guess what is the smell? Yes, it is odorless. That means it has no smell. Now taste a mango and taste the same glass of water. Can you tell what is it taste like? Yes, we see that the mango tastes sweet and the water has no taste at all. That is, it is tasteless. Now, let us try to see a candle through a cardboard. Can we see? No, we cannot see the candle through the cardboard because it is opaque. Means we are unable to see through it. Now, we'll try to see the candle through a glass pane. Can we see it? Yes, we can see the candle through the glass pane because it is transparent. That means we are able to see through the glass pane. Now we will try the same thing with a glass of water. We'll try to see the candle through a glass of water. Yes, and we can see the candle through it. That means water is transparent too. So it means that pure water has no color, no smell, no taste, and it is transparent. Now let's try this. Take 2 plates. In one of the plates put flour and in one of the plates pour water. We see that the flour forms a heap whereas water spreads. Pour some water in 2 containers. Here we can see a bowl and a cup. The water has taken the shape of the bowl and the cup. That means that water takes the shape of the container into which it is poured or kept. It also means that water has no shape, it spreads and it flows. So these are the properties of water. It has no color, no smell, no taste, it is transparent, it has no shape, it spreads and it flows. Now we will learn about the different states of water. Water is the liquid state. When we freeze it, it becomes ice. Ice is the solid state of water. If we remove the ice will melt again into water. If we heat the water, it will boil, and boiling will convert the water into water vapor, that is steam. Steam is the gaseous state of water. So the states of water are solid, ice, liquid water, and gaseous means steam or vapor. Now let's try this. Mix a tablespoon of salt in a glass full of water. Stir it and taste it. How does it taste? Yes, it becomes salty. When salt is added to water, it dissolves and disappears, making the water salty in taste. Like salt, many other substances dissolve in water. For example, sugar, alum, potassium permanganate, etc. So what did we learn, children? We learned that water has no color, smell or taste. Water is transparent. Water takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Water spreads on a flat surface. It flows down a slope. Water is found in 3 states: solid, liquid and gaseous. Several substances dissolve in water. That was all, children, in this session. We'll meet next time. Until then, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.